In this video, I will show you how to fix keyboard not working on Asus laptop. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and restart your laptop. So go ahead and head over into the Windows Start menu at the bottom left of your screen and then click on this power button and then click on restart above this. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Another thing you can do is to check for physical issues. Make sure no debris or dust is stuck under the keys. Try an external USB keyboard to confirm if it's an hardware or software issue. Now, the next thing you can do is to run the Windows keyboard troubleshooter. So to do that, you need to open settings and then from here, go ahead and head over into the update and security tab. So click on update and security. And then inside that, head over into the troubleshoot section. So click on troubleshoot. And then from here, you'll find the keyboard under this if your keyboard is actually facing this issue. And the last option that you have is to go ahead and update or reinstall keyboard driver. So to do that, we'll need to close this page and open device manager. And to be able to open Device Manager, we'll need to go ahead and click on Win X on our keyboard. And then from here, select Device Manager. So the Device Manager will pop on your screen. So from here, go ahead and look for Keyboards. So click on Keyboards and then under that, you can go ahead and right click on this and then click on update driver or uninstall driver and then reinstall it again. Now if that doesn't work, try uninstall device, then restart your laptop. And that's basically how you can fix keyboard not working on Asus laptop. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.